Hi, my name is Kristina binti Masna Sudarmaji. The company that we choose for our assignment is NJ Management and Services Sendirian Berhad. NJ Management and Services Sendirian Berhad, founded by Nur Jamilah binti Muhammad on April 1, 2010. The company is located on number 3A, first floor, Masjidin Square, Jalan Melati, Bukit Rahman Putra, Sungai Buloh, Selangor. She is graduated from UiTM in accounting. Their business started with a capital 15,000 ringgit, but right now the order said it increased to 300,000 ringgit. The type of this company is sole proprietorship. Nur Jamilah will be responsible for all aspects of the business. A company called NJ Management and Services Sendirian Berhad conducts business by offering advice to people who desire to launch a business but have no prior business expertise. Besides that, this company will conduct an activity for accounts, company secretary, tax and registration services. This organization advises its client on how to use a business credit report to obtain an accurate picture of their financial situation. Because the founder of this company is a background from accounting, it really gives benefits for her to provide services about the financials and provide a client with a credit report. Next is business characteristics, and I will pass it to Shafiq.
The business characteristic. Number 1, the business registration. The business is registered by the name NJ Management and Services Sendirian Berhad 201101039794. Okay, the business location is at number 3A, level 1, Masjidin Square, Jalan Melati, Bukit Rahman Putra, 47,000, Sungai Buloh, Selangor. Okay, the number phone 03-603-84749. Okay, the operating date is November 11, 2017. The business activities. The company actually do company secretary, account tax, audit and registration service. The initial for the beginning capital for this company is 15,000. The second one is business ownership. Okay, this business is 100% Bumi Putra and all profit go to the proprietor. Okay, number 3, the management control. Okay, the head of the management is Puan Nur Jamilah binti Muhammad, and the chief Razwan bin Ramli. Okay, the registration and company secretarial manager is Nur Eliana binti Hassan, and the admin is Nurul Ifah binti Kamil, and account and tax executive is Nurul Farahain Shafika, and the audit and account manager is Muhammad Rizwan. Now, okay, the book of account of this company, which all the transaction takes the place in bank account of the company account that are recorded. Number 4, the book of account. Okay, which all the transaction that takes place in a bank account or a company account that are recorded.
Thank you, Muhammad Shafiq. Hi, I'm Noedina Izzati. Now, let's start from my part. I would like to explain about the business item in company NJ Management and Services Sendirian Berhad. Before I start more explanation, we can know that the business item are divided into 5, which is asset, capital, liability, revenue, and expenses. But for asset, it will be separated into 2, which is current asset and non-current asset. First, about non-current asset in their company is a equipment like machine photostat, computer and laptop. And then for current asset is a cash and bank balance, and also account receivable. And then for liability, also separate into 2, which is non-current liability and current liability. For current liability is a rental office, and then non-current liability is a loan from bank. Next, for capital, the owner brings their saving to start the business from 50,000, and now she can take out capital up to 3,000. For revenue, is a come from services that they give to their client, like registration company, accounting, auditing, and transaction. Last, our expenses is petrol expenses, because they hire the runner, salary, utility bills, and stationery expenses. Okay, that's all for business items. So I pass it to Amshar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amsyah Berusidi. For my part, I would like to explain about the recording process in this business. The accounting cycle is the process of receive, recording, organizing, and creating payment, made and received in a business during a given accounting period of a company or organization. Okay, so let me start it with the sources document. Based on our interview, he said his business resources can be obtained from company registration and secretary service by client who wants to do taxation, accounting, and auditing service.
Then my name is Muhammad Nuzhanofal bin Muhammad Shamsuri. I would like to continue this part, auditing. Auditing is a procedure that involves a fair or investigation of every aspect of the transaction. For example, voucher, receipt, book of account, and related document that have been verified to ensure the validity and reliability of financial statement in their business. They will also receive invoice from customer as source document. For the journal in accounting serve as a chronological record of all financial transactions that occur in their business. It is the first place transaction will be recorded after they receive a resource. The purpose of maintaining a journal is to ensure an accurate and systematic record of transaction, which is essential for proper bookkeeping and the preparation of financial statement. It serves as an important component in the entire accounting process. Next to the ledger is an account or record used to keep a bookkeeping record of balance sheet transaction and income statement. Accounting ledger entries can include account such as cash, account payable, accrued expenses, and customer deposit. Overall, the purpose ledger support the integration of profitability in the business. In NJ Management Service Sdn Bhd, the trial balance has an important purpose in ensuring accuracy and the integrity of financial record. The purpose of the trial balance include verifying the accuracy of posting to the general ledger, facilitating adjustment that may be required at the end of an accounting period. Preparing financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, and detecting error in recording and posting financial transaction that helps ensure that the debit and credit recorded in the general ledger are balanced. I will pass it to Amsha for continuing.
Next, for the trial balance adjustment. The purpose of adjusting trial balance in their business is to ensure that the accounts is the general ledger reflects the correct balance after the adjusted entry is recorded. Adjusting entry are made to recognize revenue and expenses that have been earned but not yet recorded in the general ledger. Business can ensure the financial statement reflects the most accurate and up-to-date information. And finally is the financial statement. The general objective of financial statement is to gather information about the organization operation, financial position, and cash flow. The business prepare a profit and loss statement to identify whether they have a business profit or loss. Prepare a statement of financial position to present the truth information of assets, liability, and capital. The following are example of the statement of financial position, statement of cash flow, statement of change in equity, and statement of comprehensive income. So that's everything from me. Now I will pass it to Christina.
Every company has their own strengths and weaknesses. Corporate culture is rather typical in a company. The strength of this company is keeping a document. The company will keep all the documents by using a system, and they can compile all the private confidential records. They also can keep the document on their laptop that is provided by the company. By using a system, it will offer a document backup in case something happened in a company, such as fire, flood, earthquake, and so on. Besides that, record every transactions, including money coming into and going out of the business, will be recorded because it will include every financial statement and allow for the monitoring of all transactional purpose. This transaction is very crucial to record because their primary goal is to assist the client with their financial positions. The staff will also keep track of any business transactions involving the client who is utilizing their services. The third strength is providing a quick services. For the clients, the team will swiftly schedule a meeting with the client to provide them with consultation if they request advice from the company on how to create a business. All the fast services that are provided by the company will give a positive image of the company and is one of the strengths of the company.
Okay, the weakness of the company is number one, too much competitors in the market, and number two is too much team member, and number three is negative gossip and rumors, and number four, limited resources, and five, poor customer service, and six, lack of marketing and visibility.
Okay, here is an additional part that our group asked the owner about how she overcome the weaknesses in the company. First of all, the owner will set for a briefing to their staff, such as brainstorming every Saturday. Owner will give their staff the opportunity to speak and give opinion to improve the work processes. The second, the toxic that occur among the staff may cause the owner to terminate the staff, but she said that every 30 years of the company growth, she has never fired the staff, and the staff resign themselves due to the several reasons. If not, the owner will send staff for training. With a good auditors such as Azman Ahmad and Co. or Aznan Co. and to learn about the new system that's growth now.
I will continue about the client portion. The owner will overcome the weakness of his company by giving additional charge to their customer depending on the document, because the owner said before they start auditing, first they need to do accounting, and it will take a long time, like 1 month, to complete the process. Their company hires a runner to deliver document to their client, but sometimes the runner can't deliver due to being far and different at the same time, such as Semenyih Kelang and Ampang. Due to the document needs to be delivered in 3 or 4 places in one day, so they overcome through use the Lalamove service.
Okay, now for the conclusion. From the standpoint of this business, we can conclude that the establishment of a company is due to needs of the community and market demand that strongly support the development of this company. In addition, the purpose of our questioning of this company is to find out the stability of this company during the global up and downs of the current crisis. We realize that nothing is perfect in this world except the God. Of course, there are still many things we can learn and gain in this company position. For that, we accept criticism and constructive suggestion from parents to be used as an evaluation material for the future to be ever better.
Kekuatan kami lah. Okey, kekuatan kami satu lokasi lah, lokasi kami ni di Sungai Buloh yang mana kami tak ramai persaingan. Itu yang pertama. Yang lokasi kami di Sungai Buloh, kami tak banyak persaingan. Location. Yang kedua, staff yang ramai. Ataupun kekuatan kami jugalah staff yang ramai. Okey, yang ketiga, kekuatan kami adalah mungkin dari sudut marketing.
Macam mana?
Online.
Kalau pasal transaksi harian macam mana? Direkod juga ke?
Mana?
Pasal transaksi harian puan. Macam rekod masuk ke dalam. Tengok. Mute tu. Ha?
Kekurangan dia macam mana tu? Okey, kelemahan kami bila staff yang ramai itu macam kita katalah diorang ni berpuak-puak. Lepas tu masing-masing nak tunjuk hebat kan dalam office tu. Jadi diorang bergaduh lah. Macam tu.
Tu ada isu lah among staff tu kan.
Sebab staff ramai kan. Jadi diorang nak tunjuk dekat bos. Sebenarnya bagus lah. Sebenarnya diorang nak tunjuk diorang hebat. Tapi bila diorang tunjuk hebat tu diorang bergaduh lah, berdengki. Itu antara kelemahan kami. Sebab kami kan tak jual produk. Kami servis.
Oh, faham. Okey, boleh saya tahu macam mana puan overcome weakness tadi tu? Apa yang puan buat? Saya tanyakan program tadi.
Okey, untuk overcome macam saya buat training. Training ataupun kita panggil staff tu untuk untuk tanyakan apa masalah yang dihadapi lah dalam syarikat tu.
Faham? Okey puan, saya nak tahu lagi. Boleh saya tahu puan start business ni capital berapa?
Saya buka tahun 2010. Masa tu umur saya 28 tahun.
Alright.
28.
Pertama yang puan laburkan untuk buka business ni.
10,000.
10,000 yang pertama?
10,000.